Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today as well, I am here to continue preposition. I hope you will be listening to me very carefully. And for the last 2 days, I have been teaching you preposition. Yesterday, I taught you about the use of after, before. Alright, so today as well, now let us have something new. As I have noted down at the board, that is in, into. I'll be getting you the difference between in and into, where to use in and where we have got to use into. So at first let's talk about into. When in any of the sentences you people find change, motion, division, then only we people are supposed to use into. That is going to be clear to you, my dear students, by having some examples. Please just have a look. Change the following sentences. Change the following sentences into passive voice. Alright, so change. Now sentence number 2. The boy jumped. J-U-M-P-E. The boy jumped into the river. Motion. So my dear students, please just have a look. I just have given 2 examples by using into. In the first sentence you can see there is change of the sentences, right? Because we will have to change, we will have to transform the sentences into passive voice. तो यहाँ पर सेंटेंस का रूप बदल रहा है, एक्टिव से वो पैसिव में जा रहा है, चेंज हो रहा है. नाउ इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस द बॉय जंप्ड, ये मोशन, MOTI, लड़का वो नदी में कूदा, मोशन करके गया. दैट इज वाई आई हैव यूज्ड इनटू हियर. नाउ लेट अस हैव सम मोर एग्जांपल्स. India was divided. D-I-V-I-D-E. India was divided into 2 parts. India was divided into 2 parts in 1947. Alright, India was divided into 2 parts. तो ये डिवीजन हो गए, DIVISIO, डिवीजन. Now next sentence. Water changes. Water changes into ice. freezing. FREEZING. Water changes into ice on freezing. Change. Now in both the sentence, again you can see in sentence number 3 division has been shown. Now sentence number 4, again here it is change, क्योंकि उसका रूप बदल रहा है, जो पानी है वो बर्फ में बदल रहा है. सो चेंज. नाउ लेट अस मूव अहेड. The boy is in the room. No motion, no change. So my dear students, now in this example you can see the boy is in the room. बच्चा जो है, वो जो लड़का है, वो पहले से ही रूम में है, कोई चेंज नहीं है, कोई मोशन नहीं है. So when there is no change, no motion, then we will have to use preposition in. हमें in use करना है, right? Now point number 6. I visited the Taj, MAHAL. I visited the Taj Mahal in 2009. Point of time. I visited the Taj in 2009. So now I visited the Taj Mahal in 2009. यहाँ पर हम इंटर यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि ये जो इन है ये पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम है, राइट? इट इज़ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ लेट अस मूव अहेड. आगे बढ़ते हैं. besides besides बराबर में. के अतिरिक्त. besides. All right. Now he is sitting, SITTING. He is sitting beside me. बराबर. Now next, I bought, B-O-U-G-H, I bought a pencil. I bought a pencil besides. I bought a pencil besides a pen. I bought a pencil I bought a pencil besides a pen. Right? तो ये देखिए आप, besides. Here I have two preposition beside, besides. Beside means बराबर में, besides means in addition to. दोनों चीजें खरीद ली. देखिए, he is sitting beside me. He जो है वो मेरे बराबर में बैठा हुआ है. Now I bought a pencil besides a pen. Right? खरीदने मैं पेन गया था, पैसे बच गए तो मैंने एक पेंसिल भी खरीद ली. राइट? तो मैंने एक पेन के साथ पेंसिल भी खरीद ली. के अतिरिक्त. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे आई हैव गिवन यू द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इन एंड इनटू, beside and besides. I believe you must have understood. So now let's meet tomorrow with new things. Thank you very much.